Working on the W900 tonight, buttoning up an oil leak that we had. It's actually this plate where the oil fill tube and the dipstick run through, where it bolts to the block. Mounts down there. So it was leaking oil out and it was running down, as you can see. So we got that all removed, got everything cleaned up. We're gonna put a new gasket on there, and top off the oil. That should take care of that oil leak. But that's what it looks like. Pretty simple fix. You can do this yourself if you have an N14. Nothing too complicated. So right under the turbo, next to the oil filters, passenger side of the engine. If we get down in there, you can probably see connecting rods. Inside, you know, there's the crank. So, yeah, so it's not that bad. On a scale of 1 to 5, of 1 being the least hardest and 5 being the hardest, this would probably be like a 2. So.